Good day, everyone. My name is Mazezok. It's about to go down. As you all know, Falana has blasted Nigerian government once more. The Nigerian government have not lived up to expectation. During the just concluded Beko Ransom Kuti's lecture, Falana, in his usual vivacious and radical manner, exposed things that you and I know. But sometimes these exposés are better done when it is someone with track record, right? Because many of us, when we say that, a lot of people won't believe. But when coming from a senior advocate of Nigeria, or whom some people most times call a senior advocate of the masses, just like the late Chief Gani Fayemi, this man is telling us how much Nigerian government is spending, how much they have commingled. When they tell us that they have saved money, apparently they haven't saved any money. The question is, the reason why fuel subsidy was removed was that they told us they were going to save money. Where are these monies that were saved after the removal of fuel subsidy? It appears we have come back to where we were in the time of Goodluck Jonathan, even when Okonjo-Iweala was crying that there is need for us to have something left behind for the hair days. The governors, led by Rotimi Amechi and Adams Oshomole, now a senator, went to court to compel the then administration that these monies must be spent. Today, we are where we are. What is the government doing with this money? Is it too much to ask that the Nigerian government must be transparent, and even if it means going on creating a page where they can direct Nigerians to go, this is how much we have saved. These are things, transparency. They can go to the Ministry of Finance and create, our savings, or I don't know, whatever they want to call that page. People can always go there at every point in time to say, this is what we saw, what we are seeing. They can also create that page in there. It could still include things like how much we have recovered so far, how much we have sold on oil, but most of these things appear to be in secrecy. Thanks to Falana for bringing this up. Watch this video and be the judge. If you haven't subscribed to this platform, please by all means do. Click the like button and ensure you share this video. See you on the next.
Mr. President, and you must ask for explanation on this. In December 7th, this regime, Tinubu administration, gave out 135 billion naira to governors to fight COVID-19 in 2023. Do you know what I'm talking about? Last December, they gave out 123 billion to 135. You can go. To fight COVID-19. Furthermore, and this must be our demand from here. This regime must, and if we have to go to the street, it's so fundamental. This regime must, comrade, must.
Yes.
Warehouse the gains of the removal of fuel subsidy and channel it towards alleviating the poverty of our people. What I mean is this. Again, you can Google. In April last year, what the three tiers of government, the federal government, the state government, and local government shared was 655 billion naira. In April. When subsidy was removed, right? First subsidy. Since June, according to the Minister of Finance, you can Google, there is no month that less than 1 trillion has been shared. As a matter of fact, you can quote me on this. In June last year, what they shared was 1.9 trillion. They were embarrassed when they got to Abuja. Where is this money come from? They had to save 900 billion and shared 1 trillion in December last year. The governors came to Lagos. to celebrate with Governor Bola Tinubu, President Bola Tinubu. Are you aware?
Yes.
That month, what was shared was 1.7 trillion. That is apart from the 135 billion I just told you about in December. So if anybody tells you Nigerians must sacrifice because there's no money, tell them what they are saying is bonkun. Push it. So what we should be demanding, where are the gains of subsidy removal? Do you understand me?
Yes.
When we had a situation like this, a little situation under Abacha, as bad as Abacha was, he set up what we call the PTF. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
The gains of fuel increase then was kept and used to address infrastructural crisis in the country. So this time around, we are demanding for our right because what they told us, all of us, subsidy is gone. I mean, they said the gains of subsidy will be used to address the problems of unemployment, of insecurity, of food crisis, and so on and so forth. But today, the people have been forgotten. These National Assembly people who are pretending in the last few days, senators called, the managers of the economy, House of Rep called them, and they addressed the press that we want to help the poor. Let the poor breathe. These ones, please, each of them in Abuja, including those who had no bicycle before they went there, gave themselves a 160 million naira jeep, each of them.
Yes. Yes.
And I'm going to throw a challenge to you, comrades. The budget of National Assembly this year was 178 billion naira. The National Assembly members themselves rewrote the budget and raised it to 344 billion. And they pretend, oh, that we have to suffer together. We understand your pain. We are addressing your problem.
Liars.
It is a lie. Unless you demand for your rights, nobody will give you your rights.
Yeah.
I think Falana made the point.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Nobody, human rights is not my property. Nobody can dash me. So we must end this memorial with a commitment to mobilize our people to demand for their rights.